Hey everyone, this is Julie with Keeping It Real with Randy and Julie. A lot of y'all wanted to know how we make stovetop covers. So, start off, this customer wanted a 21 by 31 and a half. So I went to Lowe's and got a 6-foot board that's 9 inches wide. And then I got a 3-inch board. And what you do, you just lay it out. And then this lady has a gas stove. If it was just a flat top, that's all you would have to do. And then just put the handles on it and just sand it really good, decorate it, and you're done. But she has a gas stove, so we have to put the lift on it. So what I do, I put my 9-inch board, my 3-inch board, and my 9-inch board to give me my 21. Like if I was looking at my stove, this is what it would be. I leave the back open. As you can see here, the back is open. So I lay my boards out, and then I put my frame around the front and both sides. And then I come around after that's done, I turn it over, I'll flip it over, and I will screw in these sideboards, and that holds everything together. And you can see where I've stapled and screwed it in, so it will be strong and stable. So that's how you do that. And after you get your box built, and these are 3 inches too. You can do a smaller one, but I like using the 3-inch just because it's more sturdier. But then you putty everything, you sand everything, and after that I will take it over to stain it. She wanted a maple color, and then she wanted it decorated with a rooster. So the rooster I get at Hobby Lobby, and they come in like a teal color, a white color, and a brown color, but you can spray paint them any color you want, and she wants a red one. So this will be stained maple to match her cabinets with the red rooster and then the designs. So then I'll put black candles on it. But when you do a stovetop, just make sure that you get your boards pretty much even. Putty the little cracks and stuff because it look better when it's stained, and then just sand it really, really good. And then really it's easy, and people love it. It gives you more counter space. Like if you're having a party or whatever, or your stove is just really ugly because of all the cooking and stuff you do, this just sets it off. It's really pretty. If you look on my Facebook page under Texas Shutter Biz, you can see a bunch of work we do. Or it's called Decor Inside and Outside, and that's on Facebook. And you can see all the different designs we do, from stovetop covers to solo cup holders to everything. I mean, it shows you how we make them, and you know, we also have them for sale and stuff too. But anyway, I wanted to show you this after I stain it over here. I just pick up the board, and this is a little bit messy, but I will just brush this on, stir it real good. Get my brush over here. And it might look a little red, but after you wipe it off, it will be a really pretty color. So I wasn't for sure how the maple would go with the red rooster, but let's see what it's going to look like after it's wiped off. And I get my rag. Yeah, that's going to be pretty. And I try to make them a little bit rustic looking. You know, I love the way the knots and stuff is on this. So I just stain it. I'll go over here and get the red rooster. Y'all tell me if you like the red rooster. It's going to be the designs and stuff that I put on it on the sides. I paint with the stencil. It will be black, and then your black handles. So it really will set it off. So let's get the top at least done. stained. See how the knots look? I think that's really pretty. You don't have to be neat with this if you're outside. I'm outside. My husband and son says, like, I can get paint and stain on me from head to toe. And I usually do. Yesterday, I think my husband said, you have paint on your face. Oh, well. That's my trademark. Okay. So, got it stained here. Just let it sit for a little bit, and then we wipe it off. Make sure you get into where the boards come together. Remember, this is my 9-inch board, and this is my 3-inch board. The wood grain in this is really pretty. You'll see how that looks. Let me go over here and get my red rooster. Hopefully it's dry by now. Excuse the mess, y'all. But there's the red rooster that I painted. Pick him up. I'm not going to really touch him out. He might be a little bit too wet still. But he will go on it just like that. I really like the dark stain, like a dark walnut with the red rooster. But I think this will be pretty after, once we get the black handles and everything on it. I think that will look really nice. But really, that's all you do. I just stain it everywhere, and then I'll put the rooster, and you can get the little stencils at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And I use the acrylic black paint and just put it on here. And then I got some handles at Hobby Lobby. Let me show you those real quick. And you can see how the black stands out. Now, Hobby Lobby, every other week, they have their metal on for 50% off. And I try to get that because this would be 50% off and the handles would be 50% off. But do you see how that just sets it off with the black handles and the rooster? And then I will paint with the black designs. So that's how we do it. I will, like I said, I will flip it over, stain everything. Just remember to put your boards down flat on the table. And then if you have a gas stove, if it's a flat stove, you won't have this part right here. You'll just have the 3 boards if your flat top is 21. Most stoves are between 21 31 left to right, and up and down is like 21. But all stoves are different. But if you have a flat, you wouldn't have this lip that we added. This would be off, and it would just be like, you know, the 3 boards and then the handles. But if you have a gas stove with the raised burners, you have to put a lip on it. So we put a lip, remember, all the way around. Remember, this is not stained yet. We put it all the way around and leave the back open. There's not a board in the back. So this stovetop will just slide over her gas burners. So that's how we make a stovetop. So please visit our other videos that we have, and also visit us on Facebook under Decor Inside and Outside and Texas Shutter Biz. And you can see how we make things, or you can order things. But also visit my sister and brother-in-law's channel, At Home with Rhonda, with Tom and Rhonda. They have a lot of videos out with animals and stuff like that, and that's where my horse is that I dress up as a unicorn, and you'll see videos of him going to birthday parties. I think his first birthday party is the 22nd, and then he has one for the 29th. And y'all will be seeing videos on that. And then my husband, Randy, will be doing some grilling and some fishing. So subscribe, like, please. I really love doing this, and I think it's some good information on how to make just simple things around the house. I mean, this right here, if you have scrap wood, you can make this easy. So just let me know if y'all have any questions, just text me and I will text you back. Thanks, y'all. Bye.